How to fix HBO Max sound problem. What's up, guys? If you have sound problem on your HBO Max, we will fix this issue today. Let's do it. So what you have to do is to open the settings of your phone. Click right now on apps option and search for HBO Max. Click on it like this and scroll here down this list. Click add storage. Click clear cache and then back. Click on force stop and click OK. Come now to Play Store or App Store, update HBO Max and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.